Today we're going to be demonstrating the no dot method with the Plaxpot and the application tips. The first tip I'm going to use is the ball head, and you need to take off the top blue tip and also the inside grommet. Take that out and put it somewhere safe, because if you lose this you won't be able to use the needle part. Okay, so we're going to pop this on. And the settings I'm going to use are Conti 3, if you can see that. So it's Conti 1. I'm putting it up to Conti 3. So obviously I've cleansed her skin prior to the treatment. And what this does is it doesn't leave any marks on the face for anyone who doesn't want the downtime of the actual needles. So what we do is you put the ball on the skin first. Click the button. And what this is doing is it's tightening all the tissues underneath the skin. So I know that she's young and she hasn't got any wrinkles, but if you have a lady who, for example, had a raised nasal labial, you would just literally dot. And it's gently sparking to take down the nasal labial, and then carry on rubbing. This treatment needs a course of at least 6 to get the same effect that a needle would. So again, just dab it. And it's gently sparking. Can you feel that, Sydney? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not hurting you though, is it?
No.
And you can treat underneath the eyes. Just gently. But as you can see, there is no marks left on the skin. It's not going to give the client an instant result the same way as a needle does, but it does help when people don't want the downtime. And you can use this on scarring, same thing. So if for example Sydney had some pop marks or some acne scarring, you could literally just go all over the skin doing this. And then just rub it. You don't need any serums, you don't need any gels or anything. And then we're going to go on to the next application tip. So again, you can use this on the neck, you can use it on the body. It's not specific just for the face. This application tip is more pointed. Screw it on the same, exactly the same. I use this one to get rid of skin tags, bumps, lumps, pigmentation. So she has like a little mole here. So I just gently dab it. And over time, that pigment will resolve, it'll just go away. If you've got a scar, if you have a scar, you can literally just dab it on the edges. If it is a raised scar, you can just literally just dab along the top of it, and it will smooth the scar down. If it's an indented scar, you don't use this to pull the scar together, you would use the needle. And you cannot, when somebody has a hooded eyelid, you cannot use this no dot method to resolve the hood, because just wouldn't happen, it just wouldn't work successfully. And then you can do the under eye again. So I've got this tip, I'm just pushing it down onto the skin, as so, and I'm just rubbing it. This will help to get rid of dark circles. It can help to resolve loose skin. So again, if you've got loose skin, just gently dab it. There's no marks at all. Okay? Well, if you're looking for the flathead, we use this for the neck, the chest area, the stomach. You can use it for legs, buttocks, back, anything that's a large area. But you can also use it like this. You can also use it on its side, and it will still spark. If you wanted to use it like that, you can do, or you're using it like this. But I can use it on Sydney because she's got quite a wide forehead, but when you have someone who's got a very small forehead, it gets very hard to use this attachment. This can rub out forehead lines, it can work on the 11s. And if you wanted to, you could incorporate this with electroporation. So you can pop your serum all over the face that you want to work on, and you can use this to, I would probably use the ball head to work the product into the skin through electroporation. Okay, and that's it.